Well, you guys, it's okay. So anyway, if your research is on Scribble, you go to www.scribble.com. Remember, it's 1B. You click sign in. When you click sign in, you'll probably have to choose your email. Remember to always click on that G. So it'll automatically sign me in, but remember to click on the G for Google. Okay. And you guys, I'm going to do multiple steps here, so just bear with me. It's really slow right now. Okay, so this is my library. You guys can do one of two things. You can go right in here and just click the share button when you go into here. So, hold on, I gotta make it smaller. Where's my share button? Oh, here it is. Okay, so if I click all these, and I click that little icon that says share selected items, do you guys see that with the little arrow? If I click that, I can click email. And then you guys can type in my email, bodinek@billingschools.org. Okay, so again, let me show you. You click on this square first to highlight all your sources. And if you're not doing all your sources, just click the ones that you are using. And then you can just do this, share selected items, email. And then just type my email, bodinek@billingschools.org. On the board as well. Okay, are you in your Scribble, Harper? Yes, you always sign in with Google account. Everything I give you is always your Google account. Okay, when you guys type my email, just hit send, and then I will get all that information. It gives me everything that I need. I'll show you what it looks like. But you guys, down at the bottom, you can also click this to send a copy to yourself if you want to. Just because it will put everything together in one spot as well in your email. And then I will go ahead and show you in a second what that looks like when I get it. Now, those of you who are not using Scribble, okay, this is what I'm going to do for you. Hold on one second. All right, so you guys, oops, we'll just do it for every class period. So we're going to make it simple. We're going to just put this as reliable sources and notes started. And that's today's date. And then you guys are just basically, I'm going to put it under that Adobe Spark again. And then you're going to attach those. If this is what you're doing, okay? So I'm going to hit assign. So those of you who are doing it this way, like through Google Docs only, like you didn't use Scribble at all, go ahead and open this assignment. You got to click open over here. Then you can attach your Google document, whatever ones you have. Like, I don't care if it's one that has like your bibliography, then another one has your notes, or if it's all together, whatever you want it to be. Okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and click on Gmail so you guys can see what I see when you send the information. Okay, so if I click on it, so this is from Sam, but you guys got to make sure that you have all of your resources. So let me reiterate this. If you don't have all 3 resources, don't email me yet. I want to see that you have everything. So Colin sent me this. He has all these different articles. I can click on it. Then I can get in here and see what's going on with his research. I can make sure based on what he wrote in his actual sheet about what's going on. I can see what he's written. So he highlighted this part. So do you guys see that I can see his notes, like whatever he's taken on it? Like if this is a part that he's actually going to include. Oops, sorry. Didn't mean to do that. If this is a part that he's actually going to include, he has a sticky note. I can go over here and look at what he's written. So that's why we're using Scribble, because I can see your notes, I can see your sources, and it's so easy. However, if you're using Google Docs, that's fine. Yes. So Okay, does everybody understand? Okay. Any other questions? Okay, yes. Okay, at the bottom, are you talking about for Scribble? Google Classroom. Okay, guys, to attach, remember, well, you can't see it on mine, but open up the assignment, hit open, and at the very bottom, it gives you that option to attach a document. Do you see it at the very bottom after you opened it? Okay, that's where. Any other questions? Pardon me? Over. Okay. No other questions? Okay.